Hi, my name is Yasmin Karachiwala and I'm the pioneer of Pilates in India and a fitness instructor, and I'm here for Grazia, India. I think it's very important to find something that you enjoy doing, because when you enjoy doing something, then it doesn't feel like a workout where it's going to stress you out, but something that you're going to do while enjoying yourself. So whenever a client comes to me, I always ask them a little bit about their background, what do they like to do. So we find that some people like to go to the gym 3 times a week and do the same workout. Some people like to play a sport. Some people like dancing, some people like Zumba. So according to what you like, your workout should be based so that you enjoy doing it and then you're regular and you are constantly motivated to do it. It's the same way like you eat every day, and you set a routine to eat and you set a routine to drink water. The same way physical activity is something that you need to get into your routine daily. And for that, I've written a book, The Perfect 10, which is just 10-minute workouts that you can do anywhere. And it's easy because you don't need equipment. All you need is a mat and you can work out anywhere. So my latest book, The Perfect 10, which is just on the shelves and on Amazon, has perfect 10-minute workouts that you can do anywhere. The great thing about it is that it has a QR code, and all you have to do is scan the QR code on your phone or on your laptop or on your iPad, and it takes you to a site which has 25 10-minute workouts that you can do anywhere. I've divided the workout into 5 categories. There is abdominals, there is upper body, there is lower body, there is full body, and there is cardio-based workouts. And there are 5 sets of 10 minutes in each of these categories. So you have 25 workouts to do with me anywhere that you are, and all you require is a mat. I never repeat a workout. I like to do a different workout every day because it keeps my interest going. It doesn't set boredom in. It works different body parts, and at the same time I make sure that I work all my body parts together. Going on diets, I think that is the biggest mistake you can do, because when you're on a diet, you're avoiding certain food types and you're not allowing yourself to eat. When you are going through that motion of not eating certain things that you love or you want to eat, you're only looking forward to complete your diet to eat those things. And the moment you eat those things, the weight comes back on. So what I like to do is plan on your nutrition and make sure that you know why you're avoiding certain things. Like, you have to know that when you eat fried stuff, it's bad for you. Too much oil is not good for your body. When you eat sugar, sugar is poison to your body, and then you eat it in limitation. You don't indulge in it. And when you plan your nutrition plan that way, then you don't need to have hacks to go to. For those who start their fitness journey, I always say go slow, take baby steps, learn the foundation, build your foundation so that you can then do anything that you want to do. Don't jump into working out 6 days a week, 1 hour a day, and then fizzle out and then do no workouts at the end of a month or 2 months. Rather, I would say do 10 minutes a day, which is why I have my book, The Perfect 10. Build yourself up to working out, enjoy what you're doing, and then increase it to, like, say 15 minutes to 20 minutes. I always make sure that I work out in the morning, but if I'm traveling and I'm not going to be able to work out, then what I'll do is I try to get my steps at the airport. I don't take the walkulator or the escalator, I take the stairs, or I walk everywhere in the airport. If I'm waiting for my flight, I'll walk around the waiting area. I just try to get fitness in, through wherever I am, so that I'm not mobile. I mean, I'm not stationary, and I'm constantly moving and I'm mobile. I think it's really important that when you build your foundation and you understand exercise, that you find the exercise that's perfect for you, because for all of us, our body works differently. So instead of constantly looking for an exercise pattern that somebody else is doing, that's worked for somebody else, I think it's really important for us to find what our body needs and do that. And always remember, more is not always good. It has to be just adequate. So if you feel like you have a goal, and that's the first thing I tell my clients is, set a goal. Why are you working out? Are you working out to be fit? Are you working out to lose weight? Are you working out because you have a wedding to go to and you want to look really good in the ghagra choli or the sherwani, that you're wearing? Or are you working out because you really enjoy it and you want it to be a part of your life every day? And once you've set your goal, then find a workout that will match your goal and give you exactly what you want, instead of without overusing your body. I would not do anything differently, because honestly, I started my fitness journey without wanting to be where, or without thinking that this is what I want to achieve, and I've achieved it through hard work and consistency. And I've learned a lot in my journey, even with the mistakes I've made. So I think the mistakes you make are the best lessons that you learn. And I don't think I would have changed anything. I'm really happy with the way my fitness journey has grown and where I am today.